recording. Hello.
Today's charter tip: simplify
Say
your
hi.
next move. Packing and moving can be a pain. Charter can make it a little easier with one phone call. When you call Charter, a representative will transfer all your services to your new address at no cost to you. Charter will even send a technician to set everything up.
Are you looking at
Free of
us?
charge. No fees, no hassle. Call 1-888-GET-CHARTER today or visit charter.com/move to learn more.
Here's what real customers are saying about ready credit used cars.
Other places just want to put you in a car and take your money. Ready Credit rewards